I'm Lesley Logan. I'm here at my Pilates Haven. This is my home, and this is where I film my mat classes and do my mat practice because you should be able to do your mat practice anywhere. And I have this little handy C-shaper, and I really love it because it teaches me so much about my body that a flat mat doesn't always. And so we've been going through the journey of the C-shaper for the last few weeks with the 100, the half roll back, single leg circles. And so today we're doing the rolling like a ball. I have found all of my clients who either make rolling like a ball look easy or struggle to make rolling like a ball happen at all, we can figure out exactly what they're doing wrong once we get here because it reveals everything. And so what you want to do is get to the front of your C-shaper and set up for rolling like a ball. And then you want to do your rolling like a ball. And what you will find is if you bounce off of the back, that's something that you usually do when you have a flat one. But also what I tend to see is people go back, their legs come in, and then they come up. You're doing that on a flat mat. It's the same thing, and that's why rolling like a ball doesn't feel like anything to you. So what I like to think about is a little bit like my stomach massage, and I rock back and up, and I try to touch the C-shaper and come up. I don't want to rest in it. I don't want to become any other shape than what I am. And so it makes this really awesome, smooth, rolling like a ball exercise, and everything stays. And I felt so much of my center controlling that exercise, and I felt so much of my seat keeping my pelvis engaged, and my legs were working, and so my whole body was working. And it makes rolling like a ball actually an exercise. It's really fun. So if you have any questions about it, you can comment below. For more videos from me, make sure you subscribe. And next week, we're going to do the ab series in this. So make sure you're here with us next week to see how that works out. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time.